Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at the Baxter Station on the platform, waiting for the Doodlebug coming from that direction and heading in that direction. This is the Frankston to Stony Point line. It's also used by the Bluescope train. So we're just going to sit here and wait for him. So we don't have a machine here for the ticket. You've got to already have your card. So you just flick it across there and then you enter the platform and you step onto the Doodlebug. That's how we do it here. That's our system in Victoria. And he shouldn't be too far off. I thought I just heard his horn then. Special Agent Fox Mulder. Yeah, my nose is running a little bit. It's a bit cold. What do you mean I've got to go and catch it? Why, you little... Just over there we have a whole heap of concrete rail sleepers or ties, which are rather old ones because they don't last very long. They don't flex like normal timber. We've also got some maintenance sheds just over, as we zoom out there. Take that. Maintenance sheds. And Doodlebug will be coming around that corner there. The old line you can see that's heading off to the right's been discontinued. That heads off down to Mornington. That's a heritage line now. We do have some sorts of steam engines that run seasonally, I'm pretty sure, down there. But I'm going to go down the yard there and have a bit of a look because they've got some good stuff down there. Okay, let's wait for the Doodlebug. Okay, folks. Boom gates going down at Baxter Station Road. And the Doodlebug will be coming around that corner. Here he comes. It's purple and yellow glory. Sorry about that. Zoom back out. And in he comes. Go. See him up close here. 7011, the Raylene Boyle, famous athlete. Stony Point up there, and we'll watch him go up the hill. So it's starting to rain on my viewfinder here. So there we go. Off he goes to Frankston. Thanks for watching this far. Got my whip back. A baby. Look at that for a weapon. Okay, snap out that like button. Give that subscribe button a cuddle. And thanks for everyone for watching this far anyway. It's been awesome. Have a great day. Special Agent Fox Mulder out.